Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, welcome to Maka Hobby TV, and today we'll be checking out my neighbor's monster fish pond. Now this neighbor of mine, who I also consider as my best friend, he is very successful in terms of monster fish keeping. He started his fishes as grow-outs and now they're so big, like really big. So today we're gonna check out his place, we're gonna check out his pond setup, and we're also gonna ask for tips. So come, join me and let's go. Okay, so before going to his place, I'll be bringing this, a tape measure, so we can measure his fishes. And I'll also bring this, a water test kit, so we can check out his water parameters. Yan, I'll also bring some of this. Bigyan ko siya nito. Ako nagpadami nito, no? Ako nagpalaki niyan. Yay! So, yan. I'll give them some of this kasi mahilig sila sa plants. Plant people sila dun eh. They like plants. Of course, huwag natin kalimutan mag-face mask and face shield. We're ready to go! Now, we're near his place. Ririnig ko na yung mga lovebirds niya, mga alaga niya. Yan na, nandito na tayo. Yan na siya. Yan na, yan na, yan na. Yan na si Wanya Tan. Woohoo! Yan, medyo mukha pa siyang bagong gising. Pagod yan from online school eh. Yan, we're gonna check out his pond. Yan, may mga dogs dyan, yung mga spoiled na dogs nila. Ayan. Ayan na yung pond niya sa side. It's made out of concrete. And ayan na, check na natin. Boom! Laki, no? Grabe yung Parun shark. Isa to sa gugulat sa inyo when you check out his pond, no? This massive Parun shark or hammerhead shark. Actually, di naman talaga to hammerhead shark. In fact, ito nga yung cream dory or pangasius na kadalasan natin kinakain as fish fillet. Of course, meron din siyang red-tailed catfish or RTC. So, these catfish naman, they are really famous in the pet market because of their capability to grow as big as this. Maraming mga monster fish keeper na gustong-gusto yan dahil nga ang ganda ng size nila. Okay guys, sinahanap ko yung gurami. So may giant gurami din siya dito eh. Okay, so right here we can see his gurami. I don't know if you can see it eh, kasi yung reflection. So this is the normal gurami. This is not the albino. But it's nice. This is his latest addition. Last year niya lang to nilagay dyan sa pond. And ngayon malaki na. Sabihin ko lang yung...
Ito yung walang paa. Kulang.
Yung red ear. Guys, itong red ear na to, disabled, so parang rescue animal to ni Mr. Wanya Tan. Ayan, kulang ang paa niya, kung titingnan nyo. Wala siyang paa dyan. Wala talaga, no?
Completely closed na yan.
Nag-close na. So, ito yung filtration ng pond ni Wanya. So, as you can see, very simple lang. Ayan, lumalabas yung tubig dyan. Tapos, puro filter bowl lang yan. So, yan, yung tubig will come from there. Tapos, nandun sa dulo, sa kabilang side, yung water pump. So, ito yung side ng water pump. So, water will come from there, akit dyan. Tapos, dadaan dyan, dun sa nakakabit sa wall. Tapos, lalabas dun sa other side, kung saan tayo kanina. Right now, minimeasure ko na yung mga isda niya, no? So, ang mineasure ko lang dito yung dalawang malaki. So, yung Parun shark na malaki is 32 inches. And then, the red-tailed catfish, I measured it at 27 inches. Here, I'm gonna check his water quality using my test kit. As you can see, I use a saltwater test kit. Pero okay lang yan. Nag-research ako and asked other hobbyists. Okay lang daw yan. Same lang yan. Okay, pH is at 7.8 for me, okay na yan. Problema dito is the ammonia, which is at 2 parts per million. This should always be maintained at 0. Nitrites niya is at 0 parts per million, goods. Nitrates is at 40 parts per million. So, a water change would be beneficial.
10 years na akong may monster fish nito. Tama, more than 10 years. Nag-start ako 2009. Nag-start ako sa Oscar. Pero hindi ako naging successful. Nag-dragon fin din ako by sheer. Then, hindi din naging successful. Pero meron ditong isa ngayon, malaki na siya. More than 10 years na rin. Ang successful naman talaga is yung hammerhead or yung chrome shark. Tapos yung mga red tail. Yung red tail, yung pinakaganyan na sila. Hanggang sa lumaki na sila. Mga, I think 11 years old na yung mga red tail. Kung tips sa mag-monster fish, research muna bago kayo bumili. Kasi masaya lang mag-alaga sa simula, pero pag lumaki na, unless meron kayong pwedeng paglagyan like a pond, okay lang. Pero pag naka-tank lang kayo, medyo kailangan nyo talaga mag-braces gumastos. Lalo na sa space. Hindi ka tulad pag may pond, pag may malaki ka na isda, pwede mo lang ilagay dito. Ayun lang.
So ayan, besides monster fishes, meron din siyang mga ganyan, mga guppies. Actually, this came from us, napadami niya. Galing to sa dati naming koi pond. So ang hindi natin nakita is yung dragonfin na Endley Cherry. So ayan, that's Wanya. Chillin' with his big fishes. Meron din siyang mga plants, so nakasurround yun dun sa pond area niya. Actually, ganda talaga pag merong plants tapos may pond. Gives you the vibes, man. Yan yung mga dogs yun na cute na hindi ko sure kung anong breed. Sweetso ata. Bye! Done with the Maka-Hobby visit, so we're going home! Guys, so yun. Kakauwi ko lang ngayon. Nakita natin yung pond ni Wanya. And as you can see, ang lalaki ng mga fish, diba? Kaya nga mga monster fish to kasi they grow. So, they grow too much actually. Yung mga monster fish is not for average fish keepers. So, nakita nyo kasi, yung mga nandun sa pond ni Wanya, mga usual naman yun na mabibili sa pet shop. Pero pag binibenta sila sa pet shop, ang liit nila, mga ganyan, inches lang talaga, yung mga 2 inches, 3 inches, 4. So, ang daming bumibili ng ganyan sa pet shop, not knowing that they are capable of growing too much. Kaya, you should be cautious when purchasing your pet, your fish. So, ayun, ang dami niyang mga fish. Yung mga red-tailed catfish na yun, actually, inalagaan na lang yun dati sa tank ng aking flower horn. Kasi yung tank ng flower horn ko came from that guy, came from Wanya. So, ayun, maganda yung setup niya. I like it. Medyo meron lang fluctuation sa water quality. So, parameters yung ammonia kasi nga yung filtration system niya is medyo hindi sufficient. Yung water pump na ginagamit niya for now is hindi for that size. Hindi siya para dun sa pond na yun. Kasi nasira ata yung pump nila, I'm not sure. So, ayun, I hope you like this video, you subscribe to my channel, and ayun, I hope you learned something from this video, and I hope to see you on my next video, my next vlog. So, thank you, and see you next time.